St. Michael's High Secondary School Umsning Ribhoi District Kashlem I Jingnang Jing Start Kabalapau Bha Hathem Ribhoi Haga Khat Sau Tarik Naiwing Arjar Arpusan Kalaraki Buram Kerpang Ye Sngi Jongi Khanat Leni Children's Day Kabalaju Raki Manlo Snem Haga Khat Sau Tarik Naiwing Hakalengkari India Ban Mau Buram Ye Sngi Kha Jong Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Umintri Rang Ba Du Baningkong Jongkari India Ubadon Ru Kajing 8 Bakerpang Ye Ki Khanat Yaki program jongani ke jingrake pendan buram hakani ke sngi lepelong hapelau jongani ke skul ha Umsning. Hakani ke sngi rake ke sngi kerpang jongki khana jong ke skul St. Michael's High Secondary School Umsning. Ladon lang Reverend Padar Pius Shadap Parish Priest Secretary jong ke school Managing Committee Kumukongsan. Ka Principal Reverend Sister Idalin Soklet kinohikai ki khana school bat ki kmi ki pa jong ki khana. Hakani ke sngi kinohikai ki lepin I yala ki jong ki sap ki pong kat ke bagi don ban penbernya yala ki jong ki khana skul de ki jing Shad bagi jing ruai be itanat bat pas ngobang. Kabala pelong ye ki khana jong ni ke skul ban ken hoi risa haba ki UI yala ki jong kinohikai bagi Shad bat ruai ki bala say yala ki jong ki sap ki pong hakmat ki khana skul jong ki. Hakani ke juk ke sngi na kaliang ke skul kala sambre ki khusnam she ki khana ki bala pendap ya ki exam SSLC but HSSLC jongs nem arjar arpusan ki bawan chakmat kum kadak kajing buram bat kajing aimen sim shu kajing puli jongki ban yai long ki baminot bat ki bayai yale ting e banang kiu irat chakmat hagis nem banwan lapin kot ikni ka sngi bakraw jongi khana da kajing rwa ye ka school anthem jong ka St. Michael's High Secondary School Umsning bala shimen talang de kinohikai bat ki khana jong ka ni ka school.
Hello, Chad. The next song, would you like to hear me sing a Hindi song? Yeah! Alright, it's a Hindi song. Okay, it's a surprise. If you know, you can sing along with me. Alright?
To do the honor on behalf of the official sponsor, Ms. Elizabeth Jane Jala. Ms. Sanjit. So the award is conferred on Ms. Prima Maulong in proud recognition and sincere appreciation for her distinguished achievement in the SSLC examination 2025 conducted by the Meghalaya Board of School Education. Education by securing letter marks 87 out of 100 in mathematics. Congratulations, Ritalin Kurba. Prima Molong. And Prima Molong has broken all the previous records by securing 86.66 Board of School Education by securing letter marks 88 out of 100 in social science. Well done and congratulations, Prima Molong. Letitia Patel.
Hello.